The technique that basically है अपना ओरिजिनल न्यास न्यास योग करके एक ब्रांच है योग की। तुमने संध्या वंदन देखा होगा, जाना होगा, लोग संध्या वंदन करते हैं, where they touch various points and say various mantras. So originally it is that. Okay, लेकिन हम लोगों ने वो संध्या वंदन करना तो छोड़ दिया है. So we are losing out on all the benefits. It was absolute cleansing being done every day. अभी ठीक है, ये विदेशी लोग हमारा सब देख देख के बहुत सारा कुछ कर लेते हैं. एक डॉक्टर रॉजर, I forget his name, Copenhagen. Anyway, Kalana, Dr. Kalana. He used to do this. He was an acupressurist as well as, understood human psychology. So he used to do this, different points for different things. Bol ke tapping karke, he would have different statements to make, etc. And from him, one gentleman called Gary Craig learnt. Now, Gary Craig का ऐसा था, he was a engineer by education, but life coach by his profession. And he had also learned acupressure and NLP. Okay. And then when he learned from Dr. Kalana, and he gave his thought on it, his thought was that when his clients came to him for life coaching, they benefited. And they really went back feeling absolutely fit and fine, very good. But 6 months down the line, most of them were either coming back with nearly the same problem or similar problem, or they were looking for another life coach for help. So he was feeling bad that I helped them get better, but I need to give them something so that they can remain better. Because when they leave, stop coming to him, they go back to their original lifestyle. And all the same negativity and kachra and stress accumulates around them and in them. So in 6 months, they have spoiled themselves again. So he wanted to give something simple, which they can easily learn and do on their own, so that they do not get back to their old step condition. And that is how he combined acupressure also, NLP also, and then he designed this technique. Initially he had some different set of points. कभी-कभी किसी चीज के लिए अलग-अलग points देता था. लेकिन over a period of time, as he did various research, etc., he zeroed down on just these points to have good enough effect if done every day. So he actually designed it for his patients to continue to remain well. So it is a self-help technique. Then over a period of time, when there were others who started using it, etc., whom he taught. In fact, he himself has even created an advanced technique. He is no more now. His daughter is looking after his work. Has a hospital in USA where he treats people with this technique, because it is a well-known thing that 90% of the diseases are psychosomatic. Yes. So if the psyche is not cured, whatever you do with the soma is going to be incompletely cured. So while you take your medicines, etc., you support it with EFT. It is very helpful.